Property Elevator is back on the telly for a third series on Sky Channel 191. It all kicks off on Thursday, Channel 191 on the Sky platform, 8 p.m. But don't worry if you don't have Sky, because you will be able to get all the episodes on my YouTube channel the day after they're shown on the telly. So don't go away without subscribing and hitting that bell icon so you're notified as soon as we upload those videos. What's Property Elevator all about? Well, it's a Dragon's Den or Shark Tank kind of show exclusively for property entrepreneurs. Now on this series we had 25 property entrepreneurs come on the show to pitch their real property deals for funding. And on the show there are 5 of us property angels who are looking to fund your deals with our own funds. Who are they? Well, we have Nicholas Wallwork, Helen Chorley, John Howard, Paul Mahoney and myself, Ranjan Bhattacharya. If you're an experienced property entrepreneur or looking at getting started in property, this series is an absolute must-watch. Why? Because you get to see how people pitch their deals for funding, and you also get to see how 5 very experienced property entrepreneurs evaluate and analyze that deal, measure the risks, gauge the rewards, to gauge whether they are willing to put their money where their mouth is and actually do that particular deal. Now in this video I'm going to share with you some behind the scenes antics that we did to prepare for series 3, and if you stay tuned till the end I will share with you how you can pitch your deal to us for funding in October of 2021. That's all coming up. Now this show, Property Elevator, is all about pitching. Now, I had a bright idea in between the filming of this show. We filmed the show in July in a country house in St Albans, near St Albans actually, and there was 3 days of filming during which 25 entrepreneurs come along and pitch their deals. Now, in between all this filming, I had a bright idea. Well, I thought it was a bright idea, but I tell you, it was a real hard job pitching it to my fellow angels. And the idea was, well, why don't we create some trailers to kind of promote the show? And my idea was that each of us 5 angels, would basically come up with a property project to pitch to the others. And we produced these 5 pitch videos from each of the 5 property angels. Now, what I want to know from you guys, I want to show these to you. We're going to have a little chat about them as well. And I want to show these to you. And in the comments below, I want you to vote for which deal you would invest in. Would you vote for John's deal, Paul's deal, Nick's deal, my deal, or Helen's deal? You guys decide. So let's start with John Howard and have a look at the deal that he presented us with. Now here we are, lots of twiddling of pens and things and excitement as we're waiting for the pitcher to come into the room. Any signs of nerves there from John?
Hello angels, thank you for seeing me. I'm here today to pitch a property in central London that's currently owned by an elderly lady. When she retires, her son's going to take over the family business and he has decided to sell Buckingham Palace. So I've arranged a deal with him in principle to make it into an HMO. It does come with on-site security, as you can see.
So, Buckingham Palace as an HMO in central London with on-site security. Would you back that deal? Let us know in the comments below. Next up is Helen Chorley pitching to us. Let's see what she's got to offer.
Hello angels, I'm here today to pitch a new strategy to you. I have a very exclusive Castle Teresi opportunity right in the middle of the Med, the most picturesque part of Malta, and I guarantee this deal will not make you cross.
Castle Teresi opportunity, but is it permitted development? What do you think? Would you back it? Let us know in the comments below. Let's see what Paul Mahoney is pitching us.
Good G'day Angels, I'm Paul Mahoney and I've got a great proposal for you today. It's a fair dinkum Aussie deal. We've got the Sydney Opera House, I'm buying it off the Prime Minister and we're going to turn it into a bedsit.
Fair income deal, or do you want extraordinary income? Well, are you going to vote for Paul's deal? Let us know in the comments below.
Hello Angels, I'm Nicholas Wallwork. I'm looking for £355.5 million to bring Big Ben up to date. It's the biggest commercial to commercial deal ever done in the UK. I'm going to turn Big Ben digital.
Is Big Ben going digital? Are you going to back it? Let us know in the comments below. Now, who is left? Well, I guess it's good old me. Let's see whether you'd back my deal. Hi, my name's Ranjan Bhattacharya. I'm here today to seek your funding for this unique project in central London. It's the Shard building. We're looking to add extra floors to this building. We've secured the site with a lease option. It's permitted development, and I'm sure you'll see the point to my proposal. So you're going to back that project? Let us know in the comments below. 5 lovely projects, but listen guys, that was just a bit of fun. The real show is about 25 real entrepreneurs pitching their real deals for real funding, and you'll see on the show plenty of deals get done. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and hit the bell icon and you will receive a notification when we upload videos, because even if you have Sky, you're going to want to watch the versions that we upload to this YouTube channel, because what I do is I give you my reaction videos. So as soon as the show comes out on telly, we'll be putting out our reaction videos where I will kind of give you a little bit of extra analysis and commentary and behind the scenes capers, if you like, from that particular deal. It's a must watch for anyone looking at doing this sort of stuff, so make sure you smash that like button and all that jazz. Now, I also mentioned that if you missed this show, because we filmed this in July, and 25 people came down in July and pitched their deals for funding. So you may be watching this right now and thinking, well, I missed out. Well, there is going to be a series 4. We're not filming that until March of 2022, but if you can't wait till then, we have a special event in October. And this is somewhere where you can come and meet the Angels live and pitch your deal for funding. So have a watch of this. It'll tell you more about how you can get involved. So Property Elevator Series 3 is back on the telly. You may have seen it. It's the Dragon's Den style pitch show where property entrepreneurs come and they pitch their deals for funding to us property angels. I'm with my fellow angels who you always see me have on-screen scraps with. We're not very good friends at all. John Howard.
Not at all, not at all.
Good to see you.
It's great to see you, Ranjan. And I've missed you, you know. I've missed sitting next to you. And I have to admit that, which is a bit bizarre. But I see you're lacking a tie. Have you just got one tie?
Well, I had one tie for the show. It's at the dry cleaners.
Do you want me to buy you another one for next time?
Oh, that would be lovely.
So it's not the same tie?
That would be absolutely lovely.
Happy to do so.
I look forward to that, all gift wrapped and everything.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll sort that out for you.
But the thing is, I mean, there were 25 entrepreneurs that pitched their deals to us on that show. Many of them got funded. And believe it or not, the 5 of us still have some loose change buried behind the back of a sofa.
Some more than others, may I say. And by the time you've watched the 6th episode or whatever of the show, you'll know why we say that, won't you?
Exactly. So what are we going to do to actually, what are we going to do with our loose change?
Well, what we're going to do, we've came up with the idea of doing a live event. And that live event's going to be at the Landlord and Investment Show at Old Billingsgate on the 26th of October. And live audience, 350 people. So we need 3 special people, don't we really, to come and pitch to us. It's going to be live in front of 350 people. So please, if you're a bit shy, It may not be for you, but we hope it is. And we're going to run it just the same as we do with our recordings.
Yep.
And it will be recorded as well, obviously. And hopefully we'll do 3 deals on the day. That's one for you, one for me, and I'm not sure who else will be doing one. But anyway, let's see. The whole gang are going to be there, including Lizzie, who's a brilliant presenter. And it's going to be really exciting to do it live. And if it works well, the next year we're going to go on the road and we're going to do a live event. We're going to do 2 series next year and a live event in the middle of those 2 series. So it's really exciting.
And this is about getting deals funded, isn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
there are plenty, I'm not going to give away too much about the Series 3, but plenty of deals got funded.
Yeah.
If you've got a deal, if you're looking for a property deal right now, and you're looking for funding, and you're looking for more than just funding, but you're looking for a JV partner, a mentor, because the 5 of us bring quite a bit of experience to the table. And if you want us as your JV partner for a project, then what better way than, and also to raise your profile. In this game of property, it's very, very important to have the right profile. And what
Definitely.
better way than to do that then if you've probably seen the show and you think you're going to miss out because there isn't going to be a show until next year.
Yep.
We're recording the next series March,
March,
isn't it?
beginning of March.
Next year.
Yep.
So this is your chance to get in.
Absolutely, it's your chance.
And pitch your deal to us. And if it's any good, we're going to fund it and we'll fund it live. It's Billingsgate, isn't it?
Old Billingsgate.
Old Billingsgate. At the Landlord Show.
Yeah.
So the first step is obviously to find a deal. The second step is to apply to be on that live event. And all the details are in the description below. You can apply through the propertyelevator.tv website. All the details are below. So you're going to want to do that. Now, what sort of people do you think should apply?
Well, we want people who are aspirational, who are dynamic and who have got that energy. That's what we're looking for because we're investing in the person as much as the deal. Get your numbers right, as always, because Helen is going to be there. She's back in Malta, I think, having a bit of a break. She'll be back and she'll be as sharp as ever. So please get your figures right. Do not come in not knowing your figures because that's such a downer to start with. We're all excited.
Absolutely.
We look at what's going on. We only get the information 5 minutes before the show starts. So before you come in, we have 5 minutes to look at it, if that. So it really is live. And that decision we make has to be made in 15 minutes,
Absolutely.
really, doesn't it? So it's great fun for us. And I know it might look sometimes a bit traumatic to stand there in front of us, but we give really good advice as well. We're not there to destroy you. We're not there to embarrass you in any way at all. What we're there to do is to give you good feedback. So even if we don't want to do the deal, the feedback we give you hopefully will be useful to you in the future. And you've made contact with 5 angels, and that's so important. If someone says to me, what's the most important thing you've ever done in property? And I say networking. Ranjan, would you agree?
Absolutely. Networking is key. Your network is your net worth. It's the contacts you have that make deals happen. And if you want to get some tips on how to pitch your deal, then get on to propertyelevator.tv. We've got a Property Elevator on-demand service, which is absolutely free, where you can actually watch all the episodes of Property Elevator and get tips on how to present and pitch your deal. Now, you heard it here on this channel that John is going to present me with a tie. Now, give him some ideas of what colours and patterns in the description below. I'd love to know your
Perhaps one of those
comments.
Disney cartoon ties for Ranjan.
Not
I don't
Mickey
know.
Mouse, surely.
Well, I never said that. You said it, not me, Ranjan.
So on that note, make sure you check out the website, and also if you want your deal funded, you'll get it funded in October at the Landlord Show if it's any good, so apply today.
Please do.